Solid. Hi guys.
Hi everybody!
Guys.
Welcome back to Roxanne Lazarte's channel. See you.
See you.
Hi everyone! It's Roxanne, and for today,
It's Roxanne and I'm Cairo. And
Yes.
today we're gonna go to SM City East Ortigas for a fan meet and greet.
Okay
Yeah.
guys, so actually late na kami kasi galing kami sa birthday
Yeah.
ni
We're
Megan.
very late.
What a Sigma?
Likuan, ikaw what can you say?
What a Sigma?
Oh, by the way guys, we are complete! Guys, kita niyo yung buhok niya? It's a prank!
Di talaga ako blonde. That was edited.
Guys, sino yung mga na-prank dyan? Please comment down
Madami.
below.
Nakakatawa nga yung mga nagre-reply sa stories. Akala nila
Nakita ko
totoo.
rin.
Rinig ba ako? Okay lang. Hey guys. Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Mobile Legends.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Sui. Hello. Di ko alam kung narinig ako. Ang weird.
Anong role na?
Using the new hero. Sui.
Baliw, yung chip mo, gawin mo na lang
And
chip.
yes, you're gonna be playing a game.
Hello? Hello?
Marunong naman. Di ba ginamit ko yung nakaraan?
Sorry.
Oh boy, malakas. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be using Fego.
up?
Hey guys, what's up?
So, ang mga meta ngayon,
So, ang mga meta ngayon. Pinapanood kami na Roxanne ngayon. Roxanne is watching us play right now. Right now, as in right now. Full Suyu gameplay. Lag ako, pre. May SS pa to, pre, ha? Uy! Diba? Masakam. Solid.
Push na lang.
Ulitin lang natin.
Tingin o. Huli apat, pre.
Wala ako kasi.
Hi guys! So it's my segment of the vlog and today, Sir Jasper is doing my hair. And I'm currently listening to Cat's Eye. I like them. They're my new favorite group. Hi vlog! Guys, if wala pa kayo sa broadcast channel ko, mali na kayo. I post updates there lagi.
Bye, guys!
Hi guys, this is my secret vlog. Vlogger na talaga to si ano.
Yung mic na!
So eto, pupunta tayo sa cinema.
Ako takot dito.
Ikaw.
Nice.
So eto po yung mga gandang mommies namin.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Anna Lazarte, and welcome back to my YouTube channel!
Ano po masasabi nyo?
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Hi vlog, it's me again. So ngayon, we are here waiting for them to start. Kayo ano?
Battery connected.
Parang ang sarap na.
Sure. I close my eyes.
What's up?
Please lower down your volume.
Hello!
Ba't naman
Hindi ako nakikita, no?
Wala ako sa camera, pero ako.
Hello! Backstage not ready. Di ba si Sir J ginagawa niya backstage ready? Tayo, backstage not ready. Ikaw.
Fail ng Kyler
Hi.
Fail na.
Roxanne, pwede i-blip mo to? Okay, wag mo yun sasama. Okay, lang sabi mo na. Blip. Blip. Wag mo sasama yung mamumuro namin, ha. Blip. Uy, sabay tayo.
Bang, bang. Mommy make me mash my M&M's. Bang, bang. Mommy make me mash my M&M's. Bang, bang. Mommy make me mash my M&M's. Barbie Mike.
Huwag mo nang ilapit, may mic na nga.
Looks like a kid. Check. Bye, Roxanne. Thank you, Roxanne. Shout out po sa inyo. Roxanne.
Makita po namin kayo sa mga other events.
Thank you.
Yes, keep safe.
Oh no, nanakaw na yung phone ko! Kita ka. Ichip, what are you doing? You're wasting the ink and the paper. Wag ka na.
Hey guys, today we are gonna be doing teachers grading. Perfect. 70.
Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo ngayon?
So happy kasi syempre nandito na ako sa harap ng maraming tao. Tapos pinapanood na ako ni Roxanne. Grabe. Parang nakakakaba and masaya at the same time. Thank you.
Nice one, BJ.
Hi Miguel, what are you feeling today? Okay. That's very good.
Ano bang nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Happy.
What's your yang?
Ni hao.
Thank you! That's all for today's video. Amen. Gusto mo ba makarinig ng utot?
Seventeen. 17.
Ka merong cutic sa kamay.
I'm a gangster.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa backstage.
Yeah, so, ngayon, ano mo sabi mo? Gusto mo interview tayo ng fan?
Sige, go.
Guys, sigaw! Thank you!
Saan ko may noise reduction to? Hihina
So,
yung...
hindi aabot doon. Ikaw lumapit,
Okay, sige.
Tapos ako makipag-usap ako
Okay,
dito.
sige. Guys, sigaw kayo! 1, 2, 3, sigaw!
Yan, narinig yun.
Nakakahiya yung ginawa.
Thank you! Boy, pwede ba ito ma-interview? Kung bibigyan kita ng 10,000, anong gagawin mo sa doktor? Gwapo. PJ! May tanong ako. Nung nakita mo si Spider-Man sa ganito, anong ginawa mo?
Ano?
Nung nakita mo si Spider-Man, anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo kay Spider-Man nung nakita mo ng gano'n? Anong ginawa mo kay Spider-Man nung nakita mo ng gano'n? Ha? Anong ginawa mo kay Spider-Man nung nakita mo?
No, hindi ko alam yan.
Di mo alam?
Ano ba dapat gagawin?
Wala.
Ayun na
na, boys. Okay, guys. So, bye. Mag-perform na sila.
Hi guys. I'm a photographer.
Show your,
My shots,
your shots.
reviews.
Wow!
Damn.
Wow.
That's all guys. Damn.
Dang.
Damn.
Wow,
Damn.
that's so cute.
You're so cute. Oh my god, I love you.
That's all guys. Bye.
I love your voice.
Maybe this time. She's So guys, that's the end of the show. Egypt, can you come here? Can you say bye-bye with me?
Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Go on, can you say bye-bye?
Sumisigaw, di mo mapigilan. Oh yeah? What? Oh hell nah, bro.
That's so brotherhood. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Kuya Johan, say bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thank you, bye. Okay guys, maghahanap tayo ng magbababay ngayon. Pwede po magbabay po kayo sa vlog ko.
Bye. Hi bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.
Hey, you're out.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.
So guys, we're here with Sir Jasper.
Bye guys. I love you all. Thank you for supporting Cloud7 guys. Mwah.
Promote your social media account.
Hi guys, you can follow me on my TikTok, Jasper Harabi, and same as on Instagram pala, and Facebook, Jasper Harabi. May makikita kayo dong maganda, sexy, maputi. Ako na yun.
Pag may nakita kayong very demure,
Very mindful and cutesy. Ako na yun.
siya na yun. Okay, you got it. Bye! Sabihin mo like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, Roxanne's Lazarte Vlog. Guys, love you all.
Next, pwede magbabay ka? Babay na.
Bye. Shout out. Ay, bye-bye. Shout out kay Migs.
Thank you po. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and don't subscribe. Like only, don't subscribe. Report this video. Don't share to your friends. Report it. Thank you so much.
Fian! May bias! So, babay na. Babay na. Sino po kayo? Bawal po outsider dito.
Ako si PJ.
Damo mo lang.
Si PJ. Hindi mo ako lala.
Hindi po. Fian! Babay na nga.
Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe. Ay, ang ganda po na doon. Sino nag-draw niya?
Ako. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. Click the like button.
I just wanna
Share.
say,
Live.
I mean to end the video.
Subscribe.
I just want, salitan tayo.
Hello? Hello?
Hindi, duktungan tayo.
Sige.
Okay. Hello,
Everyone,
we
are
going
to
end
this
video.
and
Don't
forget
to
click
the
like
button
and
subscribe
now.
Good?
Bye!
Woo! Medyo mali pero pwede na yun. Pagkasagaan. Hindi. Subscribe. Hindi, tama. Bye-bye. Ganito namin na outro.
Ayan. Okay, ulit naman yan. Okay, ito. Hey! Touch. Hey! Touch. Touch. Hey! What? Touch. Too much. Woo! Touch.